Eriongiteloka NSSF ngesetegya ai wadiki emonoko kese luitodolikitos nutupitono kere kanu kesadum na kese PI nulemi monoete kesi kederionget
number until confirm that you have submitted your application. This process is both verifying you and also applying. So you don't need to come to us.
Biarugaba koto mainerike kedarota kie muto ngesida balebe adautu kesa itutub kaperionget aitegya right touch itunga kere lwedo tosi karakaisa nguna lukan ido itodoli kitosi kere nutupito no kanwadu munikapu no kech.
Most of the people obviously come at head office, but we know that this is being replicated around all our branches around the country, and we've been able to bring in the capacity to be able to receive applications. We've suspended all field activities. All our staff who normally go to the field are all in our branches, are helping us to take applications. But you also know that there are people who are applying online, so this is just a fraction of what you're seeing. The people who are applying online are quite a lot.
Eriongete ngesada kapakin olapalo ikanyet kwa pelap loe kapakina rikesi aitegya right touch emonoko kese kere lwedo litosi karakaisa ngona lokan kotupitete ekisililo patch abwera betnako Uganda idama kakan yatakitibia rugebe emunokina kesi aitodoliki nitachito neja situnga kere lui mono tosi kese kapun kederionget loka NSSF kanwa itodoliki ne kisil loka NSSF Amendment Act 2021 ido itunga lwedo litos nepetai ilukumina kaisango na lokan kese rasi lwepedorete adumuni kese kapun koto morionget loka NSSF yatakitibia rugebe beiti kesa itosom nepetai arita diope kanwaitach emonoko kech kangini wongonet konyeja ngunu da etodi aritibia rugaba ayalongongo kes otupitete namba loitunga luda kopokwa na dauta IDR aboisonwe gitigita nweda utos kesa sipokin kanu aiwadi count titeredu munete etachiti kes ilipita itimio kaneja si customer kes lu kopoti DRC atentuna ko kololo kosodeta adum negolo kina osoda ichoraki ni kesi abongoringina na ihuniet akanyangon.